Welcome in everybody. This video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this glossy glowy summer look, so stick around and watch. Right now I'm putting on some Nivea cream just because I have really dry skin and I need some extra moisture. Now I will say if you already have oily skin, you really don't need to put any kind of moisturizer on because the products I'm using in this video is very glossy, moisturizing, whatever you want to call it. And here I'm just trying to fix the imperfections around my mouth. Which I tried to do, really didn't work. But anyway, this is the Primer Elemis Superfood Glowing Moisturizer. You're going to rub that a nice generous amount. Here I use a little too much, but for you, you just need a little bit on your fingertip and just apply a generous amount all over your face. Now this is the Makeup by Mario foundation, you guys. I'm going to just apply a nice little thin amount of this all over my face. Now you really don't need to put any foundation on at all. During the summertime, I feel like the less products, the better. But this particular foundation already has a nice little sparkle to it, so I thought it would be perfect for this look. And now this is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter I'll be using for my concealer. It's going to be applied under my eyes, down my nose, underneath my nose, and on my chin. And with a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to be carefully blending all that out. You want to just take your time because y'all, let me tell y'all, blending is key. Okay? And that Soul Glow Oil in the shade Caramel. I'm going to be applying that with an angled brush, and as I would any of my darker concealers, I'm going around my head, on my jawline, and my what is that, cheekbone area. Sure. And so yeah, and I'm just going to be putting a small amount all around those areas there, as you can see. And then again, going in with my damp beauty blender, I'm going to be make sure I blend all that out. This is Beauty Bakery's Flour Setting Powder. I love this stuff. So with any time you put any liquids on your face, you always want to set it with powder. I'm going in and setting under my eyes, under my nose, and my chin, and down the bridge of my nose. Just making sure everything is nice and set. I'm going to do a little contour with my nose with a darker powder. That will be listed down below as well. And then I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender and make sure I blend the powder into my skin. And this is the iconic highlighter, y'all. This stuff you only need like a little bit. Look at that. Look at all that. That is a lot. You only need a little bit of this stuff right here. Okay, look at that. I had to put some of that on the other side because it was too much. All right, so I'm going in with my beauty blender and I'm going to be blending that out. But it is a very beautiful highlight though. It's very, very shimmery, very shiny. And this is the One Size Blush Trio. That bottom glittery pink is going to be applied over top of that highlight just to give it a little color. Thank you for stopping by, and until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe.